is our double French bed in our 6-berth twin axle Abbey, and we bought it back in 2019. And when we bought it, the dealers did put in a brand new mattress, and the mattress is fine, it's absolutely fine. However, we have a memory foam mattress at home, and I just want to make it that bit more comfortable, particularly as we're going away for quite a long time in the summer. So I have bought a 4-inch, well, I just typed in memory foam into Amazon, and this came up. It was about £69, and with some Amazon receipt vouchers that I got about £20 off it. So it made it a bit of a bargain, but it is in this covering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the covering, pop it on the bed, because a mattress topper for a French bed in a Caravan is very, very expensive. So I'm hoping I can cut it to size using my electric carving knife. So we'll see how it goes. And hopefully it will make our bed a lot more comfortable for a fraction of the cost. This is a mattress topper put onto the mattress at the moment, and I must admit I'm really impressed with the quality of it and this cool covering it's got on it, which obviously I'm going to take off it now, but I will just need to trim this part off to make it fit. So wish me luck. So now I'm going to use my electric knife to try and trim off this bit. Wish me luck. It's actually going through a lot easier than I thought it would, which is brilliant. When it's got the cover on, you won't really be able to see all the lumps everywhere. So this is it now with the cover back on the mattress topper foam. So I'm really pleased with it, and I can confirm it is super duper comfy. So I've been to Dunelm and I've picked up a new mattress protector. I've decided to go for a king size simply because now the mattress with the topper is quite high, bigger than like a double would be, and I find a double are quite tight anyway when putting a sheet on the French bed at the back. And I also got a new fitted sheet again from Dunelm, a king size. The fitted sheet was £7 and the mattress protector was £8. So let's pop them on the bed and see how they look. And so this is our French bed all made up, and I'm really impressed with how the king size mattress protector and sheet has fitted. Definitely better to size up and go for a bigger one rather than a double, because I think I would have been really fighting with it. Making a French bed is really a bit tricky, and it involves a lot of tucking in. I've seen people say that they've used coat hangers and all sorts to tuck it in. But if you've got any tips for making a French bed in a caravan, please do share them below. I always love watching Caravan with the Addies. I always think Deb makes the bed up so brilliantly, with an island bed as well on there. So if you don't already follow or watch Caravanning with the Addies, I definitely recommend them. Tony and Deb, it's always lovely to see them in their caravan. But yeah, there we are. I'm really pleased, and let's test it out next week when we go to Southwold and see how it fares, the new mattress topper, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've got to mention that you may notice that the headboard is looking slightly different. It's exactly the same headboard. All I've done is taken one of the old throws that we used to put over the sofas and just wrapped it around it. I haven't stapled it or anything. I've just tucked it over. Hopefully it will stay, but I think it just gives the headboard a new lease of life, and that neutral colour as well that we're going for with the bedding. So I'm really impressed with that. And I've also done the same over at the dinette. This piece here, again, which had the original fabric on, it still has, and it's for the bunk beds. All I've done is just wrapped the fleece around it, fleece blanket, and it seems to have done all right. Just a little bit of a bobble there, but just took it in, it stays. And again, it really seems to complement the SHEIN seat covers, which I put on and is in my previous video if you want to have a look at them. So yeah, I'm really pleased with them. Something else which I bought from SHEIN for the caravan is this really handy storage pouch. So it just flaps over, and I thought in it I can put the dog's lead, poo bags, and any other like little bits and pieces to just free up the worktop then here. And it was only about £2 something, which I thought was really good. I also picked up from SHEIN this dish mat, and again I think that was only a couple of pounds. So I've been really impressed with SHEIN. So we've arrived in Southwold for May half term, and we're all set up on our very spacious pitch in a farm, and yes, it's lovely. The sun is shining. The sun has definitely got its hat on, and we are certainly enjoying it. And I can confirm that I had the best night's sleep last night with the memory foam mattress topper in the caravan. It certainly was the best night's sleep I think I've ever had. It was really comfortable, and I'd certainly recommend it. When I have priced up online how much a French bed mattress topper would be for a caravan, you're looking at about £200, but I paid £69 for this from Amazon, but with some Amazon receipt vouchers and also Shopix receipt vouchers, I did it for £50, well £49, less than £50. So I'm really impressed with that. Some of the things that we've done to the bedroom area is that we swapped these lights to ones that have USBs in, so then all we need to do is just plug in the wire to charge our phones at night, and they weren't very expensive at all. They were just from eBay. So I am really impressed with my memory foam mattress topper. But just look at those views out the window. Such a lovely sight. If you found this video useful and enjoyed it, please do consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more caravan and living your best life on a budget content. Many thanks and take care.